Very good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Good. So, this is the continuity of the grammar part, chapter 5. Okay? This is the exercise part. See, chapter 5, possessives. Okay? Possessives. So, let us see the exercise part. So, please, before seeing the exercise part, go through very well. Okay? Go through the introduction part very well. Once you understand the introduction part, then the exercise part will be very easy. Got it? And this possessives, okay, this possessives possession it is called as. So this already you have seen in the 4th standard also, and now in basic revision worksheet also we have seen this. So this is not that much tough. You know this, you have answered also, so it is easy. So just go through once or 2 times, it will be easy for you. See the first revision. Rewrite these sentences using possessives in the singular form. Okay, so to the singular form we have to use possessives. Let us see how. Okay, the den of the lion was very dark. The lion's den was very dark. See, in red color they have given no better. Let me say simple idea for you. Take these last word and write first and write apostrophe for it. See, the lion's den. Okay, the lion's den was very dark. Got it? See, the aquarium of the fish needs to be cleaned. Okay. See, the aquarium of the fish. What is the meaning of aquarium? See here I have written. Transparent tank. White glass tank is there, no? Rectangular shape, square shape. Mostly it will be in a rectangular shape. Okay. So that is called as transparent tank. Glass tank in which fishes are kept alive. Okay. Yeah, so that is a transparent tank called aquarium. So the aquarium of the fish, what did I say? I said to take the last word no at first and add apostrophe to the yes. Apostrophe, add apostrophe to it. See, got it? The fishes aquarium needs. The fish's aquarium needs to be cleaned. Same for everything, every sentence. See, the toys belonging to the baby are broken. Take the last word to the first and add apostrophe s. The baby's toys are broken. Got it? The baby's toys are broken. See, the test papers belonging to Neha was being corrected by the teacher. Test papers belonging to Neha. Write the last word to the first. This is the last word, Neha. Come to the first. See, Neha. Add apostrophe s to it. Neha's test papers were being corrected by the teacher. Okay. Neha's test papers were being corrected by the teacher. Got it? Come to the 5th one. The chair belonging to Rachel is green. So, the chair belonging to Raquel is green. Rachel's car, chair I said, no, car belonging. So, Rachel's car is green. Very easy. Okay. Just write the last word into the first and put apostrophe yes. Add apostrophe it. That's all. Rachel's car is green. Wherever the belonging comes, you should not write belonging in the answer. Got it? Very simple. See, the shoes belonging to Yusuf are missing. So last word into first. Yusuf's shoes are missing. Very easy. Belonging you should not add. You should not write. Yusuf's shoes are missing. Got it? The card belonging to the student. See, the card belonging to the student was kept in the cupboard. Last word into first. The students apostrophe at yes. The student's cot was kept. That's all. Belonging all won't come. Okay. The student's cot was kept in the cupboard. Very simple and easy. See. The school in which James studies was closed today. Last word into first. Don't write studies first. Okay. James' school was closed today. James' school was closed today. Right? If you understand, it will be easy for you. But simply if you copy, matlab you can't understand and you will forget also if you mug up. So please understand and then do it. The tools belonging to the carpenter were in the shed. Write the last word into the first. The carpenter's tools were in the shed. The carpenter's tools were in the shed. Yes. See, the essay written by Lalita was read in the class. Essay written by Lalita. So what will come? Lalita's essay was read in the class. Got it? So very simple and easy. The thing is you have to concentrate. That's it. Okay. So the B division, next division C. Rewrite these sentences using possessives in the plural form. So it was in a singular form. First one. Second one is a plural form. Okay. So this is more easier than that. See. You should just add the apostrophe. That's it. Okay. Most you have to add just apostrophe. See. The cars belonging to the officers were waiting outside the hotel. See, already S is there. So you have to add only apostrophe after the yes. After the yes. See. The officers' cars were waiting outside the hotel. Got it? The officers' cars were waiting outside the hotel. Got it? So very simple. This is very easy. Even this division we have seen in the basic worksheet also. See, come for the second one. The pens belonging to the teachers were kept on the table. So what will come? The teachers apostrophe after the yes. Okay, because already yes is there. It is in plural. So you have to add only apostrophe after the yes. The teachers' pens were kept on the table. Right? Third, the books of the children were in the library. So it is in plural, but yes is not added. That's why we have to add yes. So the children's apostrophe yes. The children's books were in the library. Got it? So if yes is there, matlab we should add only apostrophe after the word. Okay, after the yes. If yes is not there, matlab what should we do? We should add apostrophe yes to the plural word. Got it? See, come for the fourth one. The wings of the butterfly. Okay, the wings of the butterfly are very colorful. So, yes is not there. That's why the butterfly's wings are very colorful. Apostrophe yes will come for the butterflies. Okay, see, I went to the house of my grandparents for my summer vacation. So last word should come at first, no? Already yes is there. Parents, grandparents. So what will come? After the yes, you have to add only apostrophe. See? I went to my grandparents' house for my vacation, summer vacation. Got it? Only apostrophe you have to add in it. Got it? The nest of the birds swayed on the tree in the storm. See, the bird's nest. Okay, the bird's nest swayed on the tree in the storm. Swayed matlab just moving from left to right or up to down moving. ठीक है, swayed matlab moving from left to right or else moving from right to moving from up to down. Okay, in the wind, strong wind, the nest will just, it will dance, no, it will shake, no, that is called as swayed. Okay, yeah. So the next one, seventh one, the uniforms of the students were blue. So it is in plural. See, the students' uniforms were blue. Got it? The tails of the squirrels were bushy. What will come? Apostrophe should come after the S. Please, this is mistake. Apostrophe should come after the S. Okay? The squirrel's tails were bushy. Okay, squirrel's tails were bushy. The songs sung by the girls were melodious. So already in plural, that's why the girls' songs were melodious. Only after the yes we have to add apostrophe. All of the answers written by the students were right. Last only you have to add apostrophe. See, all of the students' answers were right. Okay? Because already it is in plural, that's why only apostrophe we should add. Already yes is that. Okay? Got it? So it is very easy if you understand. Got it? So see here. So this is the third division. Put an apostrophe or an apostrophe yes. Okay, apostrophe or s and apostrophe yes in the correct places you have to put. This you have to search and put. Okay. So let us see how it is. The girl lunchbox was missing. Very easy. See, the girl's lunchbox was missing. Girls apostrophe s. Okay. Got it? The girls apostrophe s. Okay. Girls lunchbox was missing. Girls pen was missing. Girls specs was missing. Girls book was missing. Girls bag was missing. Got it? Yeah, see the next. The men ties are in the other section of the store. Okay, see what did I say? The men's apostrophe yes. Okay, the men's ties are in the other section. Other section of the stores. Write this also. Other section of the stores. You have to write of the store. Okay. So this is also very easy. It is not difficult. Easy only. See, the baby's cribs were baby's cribs were sold to the customers. Cribs means cradle, small baby, no. See now, 4 years, 5 years baby, where it will sleep? Whether it will sleep on cot, bed. Yeah, some babies used to sleep. Other than that, in cradle, it will sleep, no. Bed. Small baby, 4 years, 3 years old. Sorry, 4 month, 3 month old baby will sleep, no. That is called as cribs. So the baby is cribs. Okay. Babies, apostrophe after yes, because already yes is there, that's why. Got it? The baby scribes were sold. Hans' piano is being repaired. So already yes is there, that's why add only apostrophe after the yes. See, Hans' piano is being repaired. Got it? The deer horns look majestic. See, the deer's horns look majestic. So apostrophe yes. The deer's horns look majestic. Got it? Come for the sixth one. The chemist shop remains closed on Tuesday. What is chemist? Where drugs, injections are sold, no? That shop where they are selling, that shop is called as chemist. Okay, so the chemist shop remains closed on Tuesday. The chemist shop remains closed on Tuesday. Apostrophe yes, because singular yes is not there, that's why apostrophe yes. See, my grandmother tooth is aching. So my grandmother's tooth is aching. Very simple this is. Okay. The flowers fragrance is beautiful. Already yes is there, that's why add only apostrophe after the yes. See, the flowers fragrance is beautiful. Okay. Fragrance means smell. Flower has smell, no? Yes. So smell. Fragrance means fragrance. Got it? Come for the ninth one. The boys' school is closed today. See, apostrophe. Already yes is there. Add only apostrophe. The boys' school is closed today. Got it? So if it is singular matlab, you have to add apostrophe yes. But if it is in plural matlab, you have to add only apostrophe. And even in a plural, there is no yes matlab, you have to add apostrophe yes. Okay? See, the doll dress was red in color. What will come? The doll's dress was red in color. Okay? Yeah. So once you understand, it is very, very simple. No need to mug up. So please concentrate in the grammar. Got it? See the D session, fourth session. Division, fourth division. Use these words as possessives and make sentences. You have to frame sentence. So this already we have seen in the basic worksheet also. I have given very easy and simple sentences only, not hard. Okay, see, let us see what it is. Lion they have given already. Okay, see, lion, the lions are echoed in the forest. Lion's sound. Lion's sound. Okay, lion used to make sound, no? So the lion sound echoed in the forest. Echo, you know what is the meaning of echo? If one time you say the word matlab, it will be repeated. 2 times, 3 times it will repeat. That is called as echo. Okay? See, uncles. Already it is in plural. That's why you should add only apostrophe after the yes. Yes is there. Okay? See, yesterday I went to my uncle's home. After yes only apostrophe is added. Okay? Yesterday I went to my uncle's home. Come for the third. Teacher, singular. This is my teacher's book. Apostrophe yes, teacher's book. See, fourth one, peacocks. It is in plural and yes is also there. So what will we do? Add only apostrophe after the yes. See, Peacock's feathers are beautiful. Peacock's feathers are beautiful. Come for the fifth one. Drivers. Already it is in plural and even yes is added. So in the bus, the drivers. Add only apostrophe after the yes. The driver's seats are comfortable. Got it? In bus, the driver's seats are comfortable. See, station master singular. This is station master's mobile. This is station master's mobile. Merchant singular. This is the new merchant's shop. Add apostrophe yes. This is the new merchant's shop. Do you know who is merchant? One who sell the goods. Okay, merchant. See, king. Singular. That's why apostrophe yes. The king's kingdom is peaceful. The king's kingdom is peaceful. Got it? So this possessive possession is very easy. If you listen carefully, you can score more marks, even the full marks in this. So please go through this and just go through at least 2 or 3 times, and if you have any doubt in this, please kindly ask in the online session. I will clear your doubts, okay? And even I will take the grammar class also. But you have to watch the videos also, so that you can so that you can understand very clearly, right? Okay, bye, take care. Thank you.